To a clear understanding that all the state chairmen will remain in office. But where a chairman is willing to relinquish his position for whatever reason, he's free to do so. But we are not going to ask any chairman to leave his position. That is what we have agreed. There is nothing in the constitution of ADC that we have contravened. We are on a solid legal ground, and if anyone has any evidence to show that we have violated our own constitution, they are free to act on it. But we are not going to continue to follow people who all they want to do is to continue to make noise to say, oh, this is going on and that. So we don't have time for that. But if anybody has any evidence that we have violated our constitution, then they should bring it forward. There's an attendance sheet that I've not looked at, but almost every state chairman is here. Almost every 37, including FCT. 37 state chairmen, including FCT, were present here. So, and the purpose is to dispel all kind of falsehood and rumors that have been going around the country that we have come to take over this party from them and to push them away. So we have invited them to this meeting to reassure them that we don't have any intention to push them away. We don't have any intention to shove them off. We are here to work with them as partners to build a strong and formidable political party. And they are assured, and they are going to leave Abuja today more confident than they were yesterday, that they are partners in the building of this coalition.